Good afternoon, students. This is Shardamounty from Government First Grade College, Jevargi. In this session, we are going to discuss about the higher order derivatives of an analytical function and their related example. So, we know that for the analytical function, where the function, if it is within and on the simple closed curve C and any point within the C, then we can say the function possesses the derivative of all ordered at the point of z0. In this case, we can say that the derivative for the analytic at the point z0, and it is defined as the integral c f of z divided by z minus z0 to the power of n plus 1 into z dz is equal to 2n pi I divided by n factorial of f to the power of n of z0. So here the n is the derivative part of a function. So how many times of n is there? That much of we can say it is a power of the function, that is the derivative of the function. Using the higher order derivative of the analytical function, now we will go for one example, that is evaluation of the integral c e to the power of z divided by z cube into dz, where c is modulus of z is equal to 1. First, you should remember that the given example is in the form of the higher order derivative, that is integral c f of z divided by z minus z0 to the power of n plus 1 into dz. If of course the given example is in the form of same, but the denominator is z cube, we have to write it is in the form of z minus z0. So z means z0 value is 0. So for that it is z minus 0 whole to the power of cube. Here the function f of z is equal to e to the power of z is analytic. So for that the integral cf of z divided by z minus z0 whole cube into dz is equal to 2n pi I divided by 2 factorial of f double dash of z0, because n value is the function f of z divided by z minus z0 to the power of n plus 1. So 3 we can write it as 2 plus 1. So the derivative is second order. So I mean it is a second order derivative. So it is f double dash of z0. So 2 factorial means 2 and above 2 is cancelled. It is pi I f double dash of 0. F of z, we know that it is e to the power of z, that implies f dash of z is also e to the power of z, f double dash is also e to the power of z, but z is z0 and that is equal to 0, so e to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Therefore we can write as e to integral c e to the power of z divided by z cube dz is equal to pi I.